we'd like to welcome you to our refurbished facility here in Houston, Texas. It's been recently refurbished just last year, and we are really proud of it. We have a 5-day class. 2 days are for the battery training. We give you the most in-depth battery training that you can get in the USA. We emphasize a lot on the hands-on training portion of the battery class. You can get your hands on the batteries, you can do some testing, and do some really cool stuff that you don't get to do anywhere else. And then 2 days are for the UPS training. We can customize most of our systems so they can simulate what you have in your plant. And once you've been around us here at AMETEK Solidstate Controls, you realize how much passion we put into our UPSs and how good we think they are. And to complement that, we think we now have the best training facility in the world.
A few years ago, we had a problem with one of our UPS systems, and a field service representative came out from Ohio and helped us out. My management team was so impressed with the support that we got. When the field representative recommended a training class, we sent a contingent down to do just that.
If you come to our training facility here, it gives you the best hands-on training without the distractions. And not only that, we're in Texas, we're in Houston. There are so many cool things to do around here. Just last night, some of the guys went out to the Houston Rodeo and they had a fantastic time. There's things going on like that all the time here in Houston. You're gonna have a great time if you come here.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend the class to anybody that would want to attend. I mean, I came from the nuclear industry before I went to the gas. And we went to several training seminars, and by far, this has probably been one of the better classes. I mean, they were very informative. Like I say, the instructors were very knowledgeable, and I really enjoyed the class.
On Thursday nights, we have a special night for all of our clients that come to the training. We go to the local hotel and cook the biggest steaks that you've ever seen on our grills, and they get to wind down at the end of the week. This training class isn't just for fun, it's also official. We give you 2.7 CEUs for the training that we perform here, so you can put them towards your training portfolio. And don't forget, when you come and see us here in Houston or in our Carlsbad facility, we have every single type of UPS that we manufacture. So whatever UPSs you have at your plant, we can put them here and give you hands-on training similar to what you have at your facility. You'll get the hands-on training, lots of it, and you'll get the theory to back it up. And that will give you the confidence to go back to your plant with comfort and knowledge that you're doing the right thing.